Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different versions of this super cute under the sea fish tail bow. And this is all in 1.5 inch ribbon, and I'm using a 4-inch template. And for the first one, which is this style, you'll need a 13cm piece and a 6cm piece. And what we do first is fold like so, so you've got even triangle like this, and then fold that in half so you get this shape, which is front and this is the back. And what I do is I place the tip at the end there and clip that to the template like so, and I've heat sealed all the ends like this. And then what you do is you place that over the centre like this, and then we stitch from above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you can take that off your template like so. As you can see, we've caught all the layers. Just untangle that. There we go. And pull together like so, so you've got your 3 creases. And wrap round once, twice, and stitch off like so. Thread that off, ready for the next one. So that's the look at the minute. I'm just gonna, what I do is I fold that in half like so, trim it down so that's a little bit straighter, and then keep them pinched, and you do a little curve up like so, so you get your fishy. And when you heat sealing your tails, you want to be making sure you're in the blue bit of the flame, not the yellow, so it doesn't overheat seal. And we'll wrap the middles once I've done the other versions. So that's the fishier looking one. And then for this squared version, you need 12cm. I'm going to heat seal both ends. And that gets wrapped around the template like so. And then you want your 6cm for your tail. And like I said, you just overlap just ever so slightly, just enough that you've got something to stitch through your centre. I want to do exactly the same as we did before. From above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So in 1, 2, out, and the back is 1, 2, 3. Take your 2 clips off, and we want to cinch to get our 3 again, like so. Wrap round, and stitch off. Okay. And again, fold this end in half. Trim it down so you know it's even. And from this side, you want a nice curve in, like so. Heat seal your tail. And there we go. Sorry, I lost focus there. That is the squared version, like that one. So now I'll just do this layered version. And this is 22 centimetres of 1.5 inch. And again, heat sealed these. And you do just a little bit over here on your template. Clip that round. Once round so it covers just over. I'm just going to slip that a little bit like so. And then we'll place this over here because this is going to be the tail. You can use that same in there. Use a second clip this side to hold that in place. Bit more thread. Oh, dropping things everywhere. Like I said, I like these because they're all super simple, super cute. They're the perfect size for pigtail bows, and you don't have to think about them too much. You can even do them all in one colour. You would just need to add 6 centimetres to the original sizes, and I'll put them all in the descriptions below so you don't have to remember them yourselves. And I should be able to size up and down to 1 inch, 2 inch and 3 inch versions as well. And I'll put which template sizes you would need for those two once I've finished working them all out. So in, 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3. Take your clips off as normal. And 1, 2, 3 creases. 1, 2, 3, round at least. Nice and tight. Stitch off. I wish I had some mermaid scale ribbon, but I haven't actually got any in the 1.5 inch size, so make sure this tail's lifted away. Again, cut it down a little so it's even, and then you want to do the curve in towards the tux part of the bow. And make sure you're not cutting any of this part. and heat seal. There we go. And that sits nicely against there, and you get your little peak of colour behind. So let's just tidy everything a little. And I'll take these ones, and I'm going to attach these ones to bubbles, and I've got corresponding bubbles in the correct colours. I've got some 9mm for my centres here. So I'm going to heat seal this, touch of glue just here. Okay. Bubble right where the crease line is. Place a 9 over that, and use the excess glue to press that down, and then I always wrap twice. Once, round, got the excess off, heat seal that again, tiny touch of glue there. There we go. So that's our layered version, which matches that one. Like I said, cute little pigtail set. We'll add the bubble to this fishy looking one. Just going to trim that thread down. Okay, touch of glue there. Bubble on the seam. Heat seal. Excess glue to hold, and wrap twice. Once. Twice. Cut off the excess. A little bit of glue. And there we go. Little blue fishy, and it's matching for another little pigtail set. And we've got a square with the purple one. Touch of glue, bubble right on the seam. Heat seal our end. Use the excess glue. Wrap round once. With these, make sure the centre covers your crossover colours, as you don't want to be seeing that extra pop of colour that side of the centre. Cut off the excess. Heat seal. Okay. And that is another little squared fishy tail tux. And again, you could do tons and tons of different colour combinations. You could also do your tails both sides. Like I said, just play around. And as you can see, 3 different styles in less than 15 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!